The electrical impulse in a sinus rhythm is initiated by the SA node, also called the sinoatrial node, or simply the sinus node. That impulse follows the normal electrical pathway through the atria, causing atrial depolarization and contraction. One key component of sinus rhythms is that they are regular. That is, there is equal time between impulses initiated by the SA node, resulting in a regular, steady heartbeat. After traveling through the atria, the electrical impulse will reach the AV node, also called the atrioventricular node. At the AV node, the impulse will pause, causing a normal PR interval of 0.12 to 0.20 seconds. This pause allows blood to fill the ventricles from the atria. After its pause in the AV node, the impulse will propagate through the normal electrical pathway in the ventricles. This results in ventricular depolarization and contraction. We will find a narrow QRS complex of less than or equal to 0.12 seconds. What we will find when we interpret this rhythm is that it is regular. The P waves will look normal. You will also have a PR interval that is between 0.12 and 0.20 seconds. Also, your QRS complexes will look fine. They will be narrow and less than or equal to 0.12 seconds. This gives you a sinus rhythm. Of course, there are three different sinus rhythms, and which one you're dealing with depends on the rate. Sinus bradycardia occurs when you have a regular sinus rhythm, but its rate is less than 60. That is, it is less than the normal rate at which the SA node wants to fire. Normal sinus rhythm is the regular sinus rhythm with a rate between 60 and 100. And sinus tachycardia is when the sinus rhythm is at a rate higher than 100, but less than 150. To review, first, check for regularity. A sinus rhythm is regular. Second, check your P waves. They will be unremarkable, and your PR intervals will be between 0.12 and 0.20 seconds. Finally, check your QRS complexes. They will be narrow. This gives you a sinus rhythm. Additionally, sinus bradycardia occurs when your rate is less than 60. Normal sinus rhythm is when your rate is between 60 and 100. And sinus tachycardia occurs when your rate is greater than 100.